Yes, start.
Good evening, everybody. It's my pleasure to be here. First of all, I would like to thank all of you, especially the most respected sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to present myself. So, without wasting precious time, I would like to present myself in front of you. My appellation is Mehak Agrawal. My nickname is Shubhi. My father's name is Ganesh Lal Agrawal. My father is a businessman. My mother's name is Shikha Agrawal. My mother is a good housewife.
Okay, start, Mani.
Good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here. First of all,
ऊपर करिए.
good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here. First of all, I would like to thank all of you, especially the most respected sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to present myself. So, without wasting precious time, I would like to present myself in front of you. My appellation is Mahin Khan. I have no nickname. My father's name is Mr. MS Khan. He is a journalist. My mother's name is Mrs. Shama Khan. She is a housewife.
Okay, now you start.
Have you listened the name of Patalkot?
Yes, I listen the name of Patalkot.
What is the deepness of the Patalkot from earth?
25,000.
Why is Panna famous for in all over the world?
Panna is gooseberry, and there are so many temples and Diamond City famous for all.
नोट कर लेना जहाँ मिस्टेक करें ये लोग.
How far Satna is from Panna?
72 kilometers.
How far Chhatarpur is from Panna?
72 kilometers.
How far is Bageshwar Dham from Panna?
47 kilometers.
What is the full form of
और तेज बोले
SBI,
दोनों लोग.
HDFC and ICICI Bank?
SBI is full form State Bank of India. HDFC is Housing Development Finance Corporation, and ICICI is Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India.
Where is headquarter of SBI?
Mumbai.
By the way, what is the synonym of Panna?
Emerald.
Why is National Academy famous for Panna district?
The National Academy famous for Panna district because National Academy is the best platform to improve your English, and there are so many striking features. The director of National Academy, Mr. Majid Aslam, and he is man of commitment, man of iron, man of marks, man of parts, man of letters.
Who is the director of National Academy?
Mrs. Farah Siddiqui.
Who is the trainer in National Academy?
Mr. Majid Aslam Siddiqui.
How far is National Academy from the bus stand?
1 kilometers.
Can you tell me one landmark for reaching National Academy?
Near Senior Basic School.
Give one example of portmanteau word.
Portmanteau. Portmanteau. फिर से बोलें.
Give one example of portmanteau word.
Motel.
सुन लिया आपने. Portmanteau words. क्लिपिंग एंड ब्लेंडिंग. किसी का आधा हिस्सा काटा, पीछे वाला जोड़ दिया. जैसे आपने देखा मोटेल, मोटर और होटल को मिला के मोटेल बन गया. ओके ओके, स्टार्ट. नेक्स्ट.
Give one example of clipped word.
Examination to exam.
वेरी गुड. देखिए आपने सुना, एग्जामिनेशन की जगह जो खाली अपन एग्जाम लिखते हैं ना, वो एब्रीविएशन नहीं है. ध्यान रखना, ना वो एब्रीविएशन है ना वो एक्रोनिम है. उसके लिए एग्जैक्ट वर्ड है, वो है क्लिप्ड वर्ड. वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड.
The person who speaks so many languages is called.
Polylingual or polyglot.
क्या बात है, ताली बजाओ उसके लिए. पॉलीलिंगुअल भी बोलते हैं और पॉलीग्लॉट भी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट.
For which fruit Panna is famous for all over the India?
Gooseberry.
Who is the writer of national song and national anthem?
The national song is written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee, and national anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore.
What is the difference between national song and national anthem?
The duration of national song is 52 seconds, and the duration of national anthem is 1 minute 20 seconds.
क्या बात है.
What is the name of your granny?
The name of my granny is Mrs. Geeta Agrawal.
How many paternal uncles do you have?
I have 2 paternal uncles.
How many maternal uncles do you have?
I have only 1 maternal uncle.
What is the name of your maternal grandfather and paternal grandfather?
The name of my maternal grandfather is Mr. Channulal Agrawal, and the name of my paternal grandfather is late Mr. Shankar Lal Agrawal.
Do you like okra?
Yes, I like okra.
नो नो, बस सफिशिएंट हो गए ना. ये पेज हो गया. तालियां बजा दो इन दोनों के लिए प्लीज. आपके क्वेश्चन पूछने का वे बहुत अच्छा था और इसका आंसर देने का वे बहुत अच्छा था. आप आ जाइए. ख्वाबों में भी नहीं सोचा होगा तुमने कि आज हमको बुलाएंगे. ऐसे ही होता है मेरे साथ. कहाँ गए, कहाँ गए, बोलो गए क्या? कौन सा? उठाइए जल्दी. माने एक खाली बॉटल लेके आइए फरहान, देखो उसमें जादू दिखाते हैं कि आपको। बैठिए बेटा बैठिए। सोचा था आपने?
क्या सोचना है, सबको बुलाना पड़ेगा।
सबको बुलाना पड़ेगा? किसको बुलाना है आपको? बुलाई। कितना पसीना मार रहा है इसको।